Ah! San Miguel. Ha! Ha! Ah! Of course, we're not going to hit on the cheek with my hand now. I'm going to hit on the sides of the neck like I did on the on that body dummy that we had. And now the hand is not behind the back; it's out for blocking purposes. And this will come down, of course, on the collarbone, smashing the collarbone, which would be the belly cut with the knife. It would come down and crash the collarbone. Boom. So it's neck, neck, collarbone. Now, when you come into the head, you don't want to use this part of the hand on the head because it's going to bounce off the head, especially to you guys in Europe. You play soccer, your head is like a rock. But I'm going to come down so it's neck, neck, collarbone. As I spin around, I use my top two knuckles, bam, on the top of the head. Right? If I want to move, bam, underneath the ribs, boom. Then I move in, boom, wire the hand. Wire the hand here, right? Pow! Into the floating rib cage. Boom! See? If I want to use my elbow from here, pow! Pow! Back into the throat. See? Elbow. Back into the throat. From here, I can go ahead, right? And as I pull, boom! Crack. Let me show you some of those moves. This is we set up the camera. He used to be speaking to somebody. So when my father was in his 60s at the time, I was with him. There was this big guy that owed him money. They used to call my father Willie Quack. That was his street name, Willie Quack, because Quattrocchi, Quack, you know, that whole Jersey thing. So my father asked him for whatever the money he owed him. So the guy leans across the bar, he was a bartender, and goes, "You know what?" He goes, "Screw you, Quack, you ain't getting nothing." This guy's a big guy. My father's 60 years old. My father had a cigar in his mouth. And he just took the cigar and poked it right. He just went right in the guy's eye with the cigar. And then crack, bam, with this ring. Dropped the guy like a ton of bricks. Mindset. Ring. Crack. Over the head. Calm down, crack. Right across. Ping. Like that. With this ring, right across the top of the head. Calm down, pow. No pulling backward to San Miguel. Empty hand at this point. Okay? So we're coming in strike. Right? So if he moves in on me with a punch, bang, San Miguel. See? Strike. It's short shots. So he moves in, bam, pow. Right? Now when I hit him, crack, I'm hitting on the carotid artery, pow. It shocks him. Now I'm not doing this. Tighten up your elbow because I'm hitting the elbow and the shoulder. I'm not doing this. Bam! I'm not cracking. It's see? It's pow! Like that. So when I get him, I go crack! Right away, he's stunned. Then I grab the back of his head, pow! Like that. And I jump. See, I hit here, and I jump up. So it's, they see my feet in that? Let me see. Yeah? Okay. So, you throw the punch again. Right? Bam! See, now it's a different, did you do the same punch before? Yeah. Right? I slide, pow! Right, now watch. I hit my axe like that. Bam! See, I use bam! Like that. See? Now, after I crack him in the face, I still got him. Sweep. Down. Pow! See? Okay? So, now when I was showing you with the ring movement, this is very Sicilian with the ring. My father used to have a cap with a lead weight in the back of it. We used to take it off and crack you right across the head with it. But we take the ring, if he's moving, I go, calm down, crack. See this? Crack. Right in his eye, right across the bridge of the eye. Calm down, man, I'm back here, whop, right here. That's going to shock him. Anytime you do this in somebody's eye, Just that. It shocks him. I'm going, calm down. Crack, right in the eye. Right in the eye. Now where's my hand? Crack. Again. What did I do before? Boom. Here. Whap. Whatever. See? We move in close. He grabs me. He grabs me in. Watch. Right into the eyes. I don't know. There's times when they go like this. A lot of these grab me around the throat. They come in. Bam, 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 bam. You can do that. But you know what? Boom. Military. Bam. Pow. But look. See, he grabbed me. He's stopping me. He's a strong kid. I don't want to even bother with that. Here. Calm down. Boom. Once I get in those eyes, that heavy, boom. I'll have his eyeballs on the end of my thumbs. So, boom. Right down. Back of the head. Boom. Right into his face. Okay? So, when we come in with this, bam. I can hit him right there. Crack. Crack.